5th तक हो गए.
Okay, okay. So you are facing some of the issues in a questions like having a LIFO and FIFO and average price and base stock method, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these are the questions for the reorder level, minimum level, maximum level, average level, danger level. I hope we have solved all the questions.
Yes,
If there were
ma'am.
8 questions, we have solved all the questions, right? So let's start
Yes,
with
ma'am.
economic order quantity first. Then we can have a
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So let's start with the EOQ first. Then we will move towards the LIFO and the FIFO method, right? Okay. Now what is a EOQ? Anyone? EOQ is economic order quantity. It determines that a material to be ordered at a time, that is economic order quantity. It is to be ordered where the ordering and the carrying cost are. Ordering and carrying cost are. Yes, please.
minimum
Ma'am, equal.
Ma'am, equal.
Equal
Carrying
में
cost. That is equal. Ordering and carrying cost are equal. Even it should be minimum also. Who had tell minimum? Okay, okay, fine. So the formula for the EOQ is under root 2 CO divided by I, where C stands for consumption, O stands for your ordering cost, and I stands for your inventory, right? And this is a EOQ model. You can see this is your ordering cost. जैसे जैसे आप number of orders बढ़ाते हो, ordering cost कम होनी शुरू हो जाती है, right? And this is your carrying cost. The another name of carrying cost is carrying cost का दूसरा नाम क्या है? The another name of carrying cost is?
पता नहीं मैम.
Okay. Carrying cost का दूसरा नाम होता है holding cost. क्या बोलते हैं? होल्डिंग कॉस्ट. जहां पर आपकी ऑर्डरिंग कॉस्ट और कैरिंग कॉस्ट इक्वल हो जाएगी, इस पॉइंट पे EOQ डिटरमिन हो जाएगा. और इस पॉइंट पे जो आपकी टोटल कॉस्ट होगी वो क्या होगी? मिनिमम होगी. वेरी गुड. EOQ is determined at a point where ordering and a carrying costs are equal, and at this point the total cost will be minimum. At this point the total cost will be minimum. At this point the total cost will be minimum. Now ordering cost. Now what is the ordering cost? It is a place of placing an order with the supplier, for example cost of stationery, salary, those engaged in receiving an inspection of placing the orders. What is a carrying cost? Carrying cost is a cost of holding the stock. Holding your stock in storage. That is your carrying cost. जब आप अपने माल को एक उसमें रखते हो, स्टोर करके रखते हो, that is your carrying cost, right? For example, the insurance cost, interest on capital locked up in store, deterioration, wastage, obsolescence of the technology, that is all your carrying cost. Clear? Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what is the total cost? The total cost is a summation of 3 types of cost. That is a material cost, ordering cost, and carrying cost. So this is your total cost. Now, what is your ordering material cost? Material cost is multiply annual demand into
Price ma'am.
material cost
Price.
equal to
Ma'am, purchase price.
material annual demand into
Ma'am, purchase price.
Ma'am, purchase price.
Material cost is equal to annual demand into price. Clear?
Yes,
Clear to
ma'am.
everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is the ordering cost? Ordering cost is annual demand over EOQ. So this is equal to number of orders. This is multiplied by the ordering cost. Clear to everyone?
Yes,
Ordering cost
ma'am.
is
Yes, ma'am.
annual demand over EOQ into ordering cost. Now, what is the carrying cost? Carrying cost is EOQ over 2 into carrying cost. And that is a total cost. Clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. Now, in this question, you have to calculate the EOQ. These are some of the particulars given. The annual usage is 1,20,000. The cost of one order is 60 rupees. And the annual inventory value is 10% of the value. So, what is the formula for the EOQ? What is the formula for the EOQ? Under root 2 CO divided by I. So C is your consumption. 2 into 1,20,000 into your ordering cost, that is 60, divided by 0.10 and under root. With the same, you can calculate the EOQ is equal to 12,000 units. Is it clear or not?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now you can calculate
Yes,
whether your EOQ is correct or not. What is the material cost? Material cost is equal to annual demand into price. Now, what is annual demand? 1,20,000. The price is not given in the question. So it will be 1,20,000. What is the ordering cost? Annual demand over EOQ into ordering cost. Now, what is the annual demand here? 1,20,000. What is the EOQ? This is 12,000. 3, 3. So this is equal to 10 orders into 60. So this is 600. Right? Now, what is the carrying cost? Carrying cost is EOQ over 2 into CC. Your EOQ is 12,000 units. We have already calculated. So this is equal to 6,000 into 10%. When I calculate 6,000 into 10%, so this is automatically 600. Now you can see that ordering and the carrying costs are equal at this stage, that is 600 is equal to 600. So it means that whatever the calculation you have done for the EOQ, that is a correct one. Clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
मैम रिपीट करो
Any issue? Yes.
मैम एक बार रिपीट कर दो
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. सारा करा रिपीट.
मैम वो चीज तो कर दी मैम ऑर्डरिंग कॉस्ट
Okay, okay. I am repeating. Just 1 minute. Asking from the ordering cost point. Yes. Who is asking? Yes, who is asking about the ordering cost?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ordering cost से बाद ही क्या सी?
हाँ जी, बता सुन. देखो, ऑर्डरिंग कॉस्ट का फॉर्मूला होता है एनुअल डिमांड over EOQ into ordering cost. Now, what is the annual demand here? Annual demand is 1,20,000. Right? EOQ is 12,000. So this is equal to 10 orders. Ordering cost is 60. So this is equal to 600 rupees. Now you can calculate the carrying cost with the help of formula EOQ over 2 into carrying cost. EOQ is your 12,000 divided by 2. So this is equal to 600. 6,000 into 10%. So this is equal to 600 rupees. Now you can see that ordering and the carrying costs are equal. I have already tell you that EOQ is determined at a point where ordering and the holding costs are equal. At this point, EOQ is determined, and at this point, the total cost is minimum. Clear?
यस
Clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Can we
ma'am.
go ahead? Okay. Now this is the second question. I hope you will solve this question.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
hope. Yeah, please solve this question
Okay, ma'am.
and let me know the answer of EOQ. EOQ is equal to under root 2CO over I. Who will tell this how to solve this question? Who will tell how to solve this question?
Ma'am, answer 600.
Hanji, what are you saying?
Ma'am, 600 answer.
Okay, okay. The answer for the EOQ is 600. I hope everyone has solved the question. Please write in the
Yes,
chat
ma'am.
box. Type at a 600 units. Please write the same in the chat box. Please write the same in the chat box. Yes? Are you writing the same in the chat box?
Ma'am, कर दिया right.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, now this is the third question. In this question, what you have to do, you have to calculate the EOQ, you have to calculate the number of orders, and you have to calculate the annual total cost. Now for calculating the EOQ, the formula will remain same, that is 2CO over I. For the I, what you have to do, this inventory includes your interest rate and your storage cost. So this you have to take it as a 12%, right? 12% of unit price is 2.40 and ordering cost is rupees 4. Now what will be the EOQ? EOQ is equal to under root 2CO divided by I. So annual demand is 2400, order is rupees 4. And what you have to do? You have to do 2.4 ka 12%. Now you can calculate the EOQ. Anyone can tell what is the EOQ of this question? Yes? What will be the EOQ of this question? I have told you for calculation of inventory, you have to make a total of the storage and the interest rate. Because your carrying cost or holding cost includes your storage cost, interest rate, your wastage, your obsolescence risk. So everything is included in your carrying cost. So that's why you have to make a total of the storage cost and the interest rate, that is 12%. Right? There is a disturbance coming from one student side. Request you to mute yourself. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me.
मैम 258
Ma'am,
258.
258 ही आ रहा है ma'am. EQ
Very
ma'am.
good. This is
258.
258 minutes. Very good. Very good. Now, what will be the material cost? The material cost is annual demand into price. Now, what is the annual demand here? Annual demand is 2400 and price is 2.40. I think annual demand is 5760. What is the ordering cost? It is annual demand over EOQ. Annual demand is this one. EOQ is this one into your ordering cost. The number of orders cannot be in points. So it is 10 into 4, that is equal to 40. And your carrying cost is EOQ over 2 into your carrying cost. EOQ in this question you have calculated 258 over 2 and into your carrying cost is 12% of 2.4. So this is approximately equal to 36, which is 40 and 40, which is equal. So where ordering and a carrying cost are equal, at that point EOQ is determined. Clear to everyone?
Yes ma'am.
Clear to everyone? Yes or no?
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी, please.
मैम कैरिंग कॉस्ट च प्रॉब्लम सी मैम ऊपर वाले क्वेश्चन च थर्ड च
कैरिंग कॉस्ट 36 आ रही होगी, कैरिंग कॉस्ट 36 या 37.8 आ रही होगी, am I right?
नहीं मैम ओ ईओ क्यू च मैम
मतलब EOQ 258 नहीं आया?
मैम मेरा आ गया क्वेश्चन मैम मैं इदा पूछना सी जिते मैम 12% आ गया अपना सी तो मैम ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਸ ਨਾਲ ਡਿਓ ਕਰਨਾ ਡਿਵਾਈਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਨਾ
ਕਿਨੂੰ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਪੁੱਛ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ?
थर्ड मैम
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਰਾਜੇ, ਕੈਰਿੰਗ ਕਾਸਟ ਨਾਲ ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਨਾ ਆਪਾਂ 2.4
Okay.
ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਬਾय 12%।
यस मैम यस
ਹਾਂ राइट है बेटे?
यस मैम यस
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए आगे।
यस मैम
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this is a very good question. In this question, what you have to do, the annual demand for a particular inventory is 10,000 units. This is your annual demand. Inventory carrying cost is 20%. Ordering cost is 40, and the price quoted by the supplier is 4 rupee. So this is your material price. Material price. Now this is a first option. This is option number 1. This is option 2. This option is without discount. And this option is with discount. So you have to calculate which one is better. You have to calculate which one is better. There is a illustration number 20. That is a very good illustration, right? Please try to solve it. Okay, however, the supplier is willing to give 5% discount for orders for 1500 units or more. In this question, the supplier is willing to give 5% discount. It means that the discount rate given in this question is 5%. And in this question, surprisingly, the EOQ is already given. The EOQ is, the EOQ is 1500 units. Now you have to solve both cases. The first case is without discount and the second case is with discount. So in case of a EOQ, the formula is same, that is under root 2CO divided by I. So in this question, we have calculated the EOQ is 1000. In this question, it is already given, that is 1500 units. The formula for the material cost is annual demand into price. So annual demand is 10,000, price is 4, that is 40,000. Here the price is not 4 rupees. Here the person has given us a 5% of the discount. So on case of a 4 rupee, if a person is giving you a discount of this, it means that a person is given a discount of 20 paisa. So it means that now we are getting a material at 3 rupees 80 paisa. So that's why we have multiplied it with 3.80. So this is 38,000. And ordering cost is annual demand over EOQ into ordering cost, and that is 400. That is annual demand over EOQ is changed here 1500, and that is 280. EOQ over 2 into CC, that is 400. But here you will take it as a 3.80, that is 570. And please note that in case of a without discount, the ordering and the carrying costs are equal. You can see this is 400 and this is 400. When you calculate the total cost when you are not given any type of discount, that is 40,800. But when you are giving a discount, the total cost has been reduced to 38,850. Now tell me which one is better?
Ma'am, with discount.
With discount. Now please solve this question with discount. Please solve this question with discount. Yes or no? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम
Yes or no?
यस मैम
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sorry. There might be some button pressing, so it's going on. Sorry for the same. Now it's visible?
यस मैम
Anyone can explain this question? Aman, can you explain this question?
यस मैम
Now please start.
ਮੈਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵਿਦਆਊਟ ਡਿਸਕਾਊਂਟ ਵਾਲਾ ਸਮਝਾ ਦਿਓ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਘੱਟ
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਸਮਝ
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਆਉਂਦਾ
ਵਿਦਆਊਟ ਡਿਸਕਾਊਂਟ ਵਾਲਾ ਸਮਝਾ ਦਿਓ।
ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਮੈਮ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ EOQ ਕੱਢਣਾ ਹੈ ਮੈਮ ਆਪਾਂ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾ ਲਾਵਾਂਗੇ 2CO/I 2 ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ C ਹੈਗੀ ਮੈਮ ਆਪਣੀ ਕੈਰਿੰਗ ਕੋਸਟ ਉਹ ਮੈਮ ਆਪਣੀ ਆਰਡਰਿੰਗ ਕੋਸਟ ਹੈ
ਸੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਐਨੂਅਲ ਕੰਜ਼ੰਪਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਰਾਜੇ।
ਮੈਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਕੱਢਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਕੱਢਦੀ ਹੁੰਨੀ ਆ √2AO/C ਮੈਮ।
ਚਲੋ
ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਮੈਮ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੱਢਾਂਗੇ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ ਕੋਸਟ ਐਨੂਅਲ ਡਿਮਾਂਡ ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਸ। ਐਨੂਅਲ ਡਿਮਾਂਡ ਹੈਗੀ ਮੈਮ ਆਪਣੀ 10,000 ਪ੍ਰਾਈਸ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਮ ਗਿਵਨ ਹੈ ਇੱਥੇ 4 ਰੁਪੀਜ਼ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਮੈਮ 40,000 ਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ ਕੋਸਟ। ऑर्डरिंग कॉस्ट आप कटांगे मैम एनुअल डिमांड मल्टीप्लाई EOQ और मल्टीप्लाई ऑर्डरिंग कॉस्ट मैम।
गलत दस रहे हो। ऑर्डरिंग कॉस्ट का फॉर्मूला होता है एनुअल डिमांड डिवाइडेड बाय EOQ करके पहले नंबर ऑफ ऑर्डर्स आएंगे।
यस मैम।
ठीक है बोलो दोबारा।
उस पहला मैम अपना नंबर ऑफ ऑर्डर कटने ने तो मैम आप करांगे एनुअल डिमांड मल्टी डिवाइड बाय EOQ उसके बाद इनटू मैम ऑर्डरिंग कॉस्ट पर यूनिट। एनुअल डिमांड है मैम अपनी 10,000 EOQ मैम जो अपना ऊपर आया सी 1,000 उसके बाद मैम हम करेंगे मल्टीप्लाई में मैम 40 जो मैम हमें गिवन है क्वेश्चन में ऑर्डरिंग कॉस्ट का। मैम वेट यस मैम। मैम फिर आप कटांगे कैरिंग कॉस्ट मैम EOQ/2 मल्टीप्लाई कैरिंग कॉस्ट पर यूनिट। मैम EOQ अपना 1,000 आया सी मैम ते डिवाइड 2 करांगे ते मैम मल्टीप्लाई करांगे आप कैरिंग कॉस्ट मैम। उसके बाद मैम हम करेंगे मैम टोटल इन्वेंट्री मैम मटेरियल कॉस्ट प्लस ऑर्डरिंग कॉस्ट प्लस कैरिंग कॉस्ट मैम।
वेरी गुड। Anyone can tell without discount? Anyone can tell without discount?
मैम मैं एक्सप्लेन करूं?
Yes, please. What's your good name?
मैम अंजलि।
Anjali, please go ahead.
मैम हमें 5% का डिस्काउंट दिया गया 1500 यूनिट्स को लेके मतलब चलना है EOQ की जगह। मैम जो एनुअल डिमांड है वो हमारी 10,000 की है और जो प्राइस है वो डिस्काउंट 5% लेस करके 3.8 आएगा। मैम इनको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमारे पास जो आ जाएगा एनुअल डिमांड जो प्राइस को मल्टीप्लाई करके परचेज प्राइस आ जाएगा। मैम उसके बाद जो ऑर्डरिंग कॉस्ट के लिए मैम जो नंबर ऑफ ऑर्डर्स निकालने हैं उसके लिए मैम जो EOQ हमने दिया हुआ है 1500 उसको डिवाइड करेंगे 10,000 से और उसको बाद में ऑर्डरिंग कॉस्ट से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो ऑर्डरिंग कॉस्ट आ जाएगा। ऑर्डरिंग कॉस्ट पर यूनिट से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ऑर्डरिंग कॉस्ट आ जाएगा 280। और मैम बाद में कैरिंग कॉस्ट निकालने के लिए EOQ/2 मैम 1500 को /2 से करेंगे। जो कैरिंग कॉस्ट है उसमें से भी मैम डिस्काउंट लेस करेंगे। कैरिंग कॉस्ट पर यूनिट डिस्काउंट लेस करके उसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे मैम 570 आंसर आ जाएगा। मैम दोनों तीनों का टोटल करके 38,850 आंसर आ जाएगा। जो उस विदाउट डिस्काउंट से लेस है तो करके हम इसी के लिए ऑप्ट करेंगे।
Right. So I hope it is clear to everyone.
Yes ma'am.
But this is the most important example I have not seen in your book. This is not in your book. This example is not in your book. Not in your book, module book. But this is very important. I have seen this question coming to the ICAI many times, right? And please solve this question yourself. Now, there are another techniques that is a double bin system. What you do in a double bin system? This method is very suitable for materials of comparatively less value. What you do? This system makes use of 2 bins for maintaining the stock of material. Just make 2 bins. In respect, 2 bins are maintained and filled with materials. Isko fill kar lo. Material 1 is issued from 1 bin until the same is empty. If 1 is empty, after that materials are issued from 2nd bin, right? Then you have to make the efforts to fill the first bin again. फिर पहला बिन भर दो। जब पहला खाली हो गया फिर दूसरे बिन में से मटेरियल इश्यू करो। जब आपको लग रहा है कि हम दूसरे मटेरियल में से बिन को मतलब मटेरियल को इश्यू कर रहे हैं तो फर्स्ट बिन जो है उसको भरना शुरू कर दो। So this is a double bin system. This is a technique for controlling your material. The stock of material from the second bin is just adequate to provide service till the fresh stock will arrive and fill the first bin. Now ABC analysis, always better control. List all the expenses over a period of time and arrange them in an order from highest to lowest. Find the total expenses of workout of expenses with respect to the total. We assume 20% of the items consume 80% of expenses. The region of ABC analysis is 80 to 20% rule. 80% of the country's economy is controlled by 20% of the people. So high items को A में रखो, उससे कम वाली को B में, उससे बिल्कुल कम वाली को C में रखो. Categories बना लो. Right? So this is a ABC analysis. Always better control. JIT, I have already explained in detail. Its origin was originated in Japan. Japan में होता है just in time means whenever there is a need of raw material, you should purchase at that time instead of making the excessive investment in the stock. Excessive जो investment है वो stock में आप ना करो. उस जो पैसा है उसको कहीं और लगाओ. Never put all the eggs into one basket. If you put all the eggs into one basket, what will happen? It will break. So diversify your portfolio just in time. Whenever you have a need of raw material, purchase at that time only instead of making the excessive investment in stock. VAID analysis. Now, what is the full form of VAID analysis? That is a vital, essential, desirable. This is basically used to control spare parts, right? V denotes a vital, which is a production जिससे stop हो जाएगी and their cost is very high. ER which are essential and D denotes means desirable. Immediate effect नहीं होगा उनका, right? तो हमने क्या करना है, जो हमारे लिए vital है उसके ऊपर strict control करना है. जो E है उसके ऊपर ज्यादा करने की जरूरत नहीं है. जो D है उसको हम avoid भी कर सकते हैं if the lead time is less. Example of VAID analysis is vital, essential, desirable. वाइटल मेडिसिन होती है जो पेशेंट के सर्वाइवल के लिए भी बहुत मुश्किल होती है, जैसे ऑक्सीजन की सप्लाई. असेंशियल कौन सी है? लो क्रिटिकल नीड्स, राइट, लाइक ये आईवी फ्लूइड्स इन अ हॉस्पिटल. डिजायरेबल क्या है? सनस्क्रीन लोशन, ठीक है, डिजायरेबल है. क्लियर है? क्लियर टू एवरीवन?
यस मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
FNST analysis. FNST analysis. Fast moving goods, normal moving goods, slow moving goods, and this is known as a dead stock. Perpetual inventory system, physical movement of the stocks और हम उसका current balance को maintain करके रखें. Periodic taking system means physical stock verification check करो 6 months और 1 year में और देखो कि किस उसकी स्टॉक की कोई मूवमेंट नहीं हुई है, फिजिकल वेरिफिकेशन करो. अगर डिस्क्रिपेंसी है तो डिपार्टमेंट को मेंटेन करो. सो दीज आर द मेथड्स जो आप बात कर रहे थे ना मैम, ये क्वेश्चन करा दो, लीफो, फीफो, वेटेड एवरेज, सिंपल एवरेज. सो दीज आर द मेथड्स ऑफ मटेरियलिंग इशू. अब आप बोल रहे हो इसका क्वेश्चन करा दो, ठीक है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, बिफोर सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चन, I will stop your screen and I will stop the recording here.